What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is Monday as I am recording this, so I have on my Sid outfit for the last day of the Toy Story video, which you should have seen on Tuesday. But today we are heading to a place called the Ponce City Market here in Atlanta. Wow! And I'm really excited because back in Orlando we had a couple of markets that we really like to go to. There was one called East End Market, and then we really liked the Farmers Market at the Lake Eola. And then in Seattle we went to Pike Place Market. So I'm excited to go to a new market in Atlanta and try some yummy food. I thought we would take you guys along with us. So I hope you enjoy. Here it is.
Check it out. I mean, it might be
They have pork belly pastres, like pastelitos. But they make it with tofu. I could eat those. Oh my gosh. I finally found a macaron place in Atlanta and delicious chocolates. Oh dear Lord. Candy shop. Ooh, donuts. Can I go look? King of Pops is super popular in Atlanta. This is the cookie dough counter. Oh my gosh, Cookie Monsters. Oh my freaking. How am I gonna pick? We are here at Marissa Cocina for lunch. Here's Blaker's. And here's our view. As you can see. But it's really pretty in here. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get the peach pizza or the mushroom, but Blake's gonna get the short rib pizza, and I'm very excited. For a starter, we got this eggplant, which has roasted garlic, chili flakes. What kind of drink did you get?
something, I think, with whiskey.
With whiskey. Yummy. Okay, I went for it. I did the peach pizza, but I took off the meat, so it's just peaches, ricotta, garlic, and oil, and honey. Blake got short rib pizza, right? So we'll see how they taste. That was delicious.
Yeah, it was really good. Appetizer wasn't all that. It was good, but it wasn't crazy. But the pizza was fire.
We thought the eggplant would have been better if they added some cheese to it, but the freaking peach pizza, incredible. And I'm sure if you got the meat on it, if you're not vegetarian, it'd be even more delicious. But they said they only have it for summertime, so if you guys want to try it, you gotta come in summer. But I feel like it's a Georgia specialty. Look at these amazing donuts. Oh my gosh. So I got edible cookie dough. I got the brookie flavor, which is brownie mixed with chocolate chip cookie. And then we got Blake's sister a red velvet. Blake got a little cookie to go. Thank you everyone so much for watching. We had an amazing time at Ponce City Market. After that last clip, we just went to Anthropology and this store called Ponce City Books, I believe it was called. It's like a bookstore. And it was super cool. So we really liked it. And I hope that you're all having a wonderful week. And we're going on our cruise in a couple of days. So just be excited for that. And thank you for watching my videos. Bye!